Okay, good evening, boys and girls. We are on 5-4 today. We are simplifying expressions, and we're using order of operations to do that. So just to remember, we have please, make, donuts, and sausage. That stands for parentheses first. Always do what's in the parentheses first. Then do multiplication and division next. Remember, when you do that, you start on the left and you work your way to the right. After you've done all the multiplication and division problems, you do addition and subtraction last. And again, you start on the left, work your way to the right. Okay, so I'm going to do one problem with you tonight. Maybe I'll do two. Here we go. We're going to start with number 20. We'll start with let's do number 6. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, please make donuts and sausage. So are there any parentheses in the problem? And the answer is yes, there are. 3 times 3. We know that that's 9. 3 times 3 sounds like blind, 9. Okay, so then we're going to make sure that we bring everything down that we have not used yet. We haven't used the divide or the 27 or the plus or the 7. So now we go through our order of operations. Are there any multiplication or division problems that we have not done yet? Okay, there is a divide. So we're going to do 27 divided by 9 next. And 27 divided by 9, if you remember your multiplication facts, you know that 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore, 27 divided by 9 is 3. Okay, bring down whatever you have left. We've got that plus and that 7 that we have not used. And we've done multiply and divide, so now we're on to addition or subtraction. We've got one addition problem here, so the answer is 10. Make sure you circle your answers also. So go ahead and do the rest of them the same way. Just make sure that when you do number 4 here, you have 2 problems in parentheses. Okay? So just let's stick with our training of going from left to right. So start with the one on the left first, then do the right one. Okay? Down here for 7, 8, and 9, it says rewrite with parentheses to make each number sentence true. So this one you have to do a little bit more thinking. I'll do number 7 with you. Okay? So we know that we have to put parentheses in here somewhere, okay? And whatever we get, it has to equal 44. So this is just trial and error. Let's just pick a spot. We'll try putting the parentheses here first. If we put the parentheses around the 12 and the 6 first, we know that 12 divided by 6 equals 2. And then we bring down the 42 and the plus, and we know that 42 plus 2 equals 44. So that's the correct answer. So just come over here and write 42 plus 12 divided by 6 equals 44. That's how you would do that one. Okay. Now, we just happened to luck out and get that in the right spot. If I would have tried putting the parentheses in another spot, for example, around the 42 and the 12, then I would have had to do this first using my order of operations. I do parentheses first, so 42 plus 12 equals 54. And if I did my division, I know that 9 times 6, I would bring this down, and 54 divided by 6, I know that 9 times 6 is 54, so that would have given us an answer of 9. So that's very different than 44. So we would have obviously known that that was the wrong answer, and we could have gone back and tried the parentheses right here, which would have given us the correct answer. Okay?